Good day, puppy lovers. I have Gizmo with me today. This little cockapoo is going to get a nice scissor cut. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I scissor cut these legs and make them nice and smooth. And yep, stick around because I got lots more tips and tricks for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do the back end here, over here. We're going to start by cutting around the foot. We're going to do a nice leg here. It's really simple. All we need to do is follow the form of the leg, okay? So we're just going to follow this here. See how I just curved in here? I'm going to do the same thing in the back. The hawk here. The hawk. It's just straight down. That's all. You're just following the leg. See, and if there's knots in here, don't worry about that. Just try to pull away from the skin and then go straight down. With the tip of your scissors here, just poke in there and go straight down. Okay. Now all you have to do is come back in and just check to see if your work is fine. There might be little areas that need some more cutting. Now this little pup's anxious. It takes more than one snip. You comb back up. And actually you can comb back down also. Combing down will help you see if your work is well done also. Put this in closer here. Okay, so the back side is done. All we did was follow the body. Just follow the body. Now we're gonna go straight down. We're here, I'm gonna fluff everything up. Most of this I cut with the clipper a while ago. Now I'm just going to cut the rest, going straight all the way down. You're probably wondering, well, why didn't you do the rest with the clippers? I could have. I could have completely gone all the way down and done the whole front, but the point of this video here is to show you how to scissor, so sometimes I'll do it, and then I'll just fix whatever needs fixing with the scissors afterwards. So I came all the way straight down. If by any chance it's too square, like flat and flat like this, see flat like that and flat like that, all you need to do is come and cut the corners out, okay? So now you lift the leg. This is how I do it. I just lock that knee. See how when I squish, the dog can't unlock that knee, okay? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow all of this here, like that. Follow it all like that. To my desired length, whatever length that suits you. I'll use my curves to come and do this, but you can always do it with your straights also. Pull everything back up, and we're just going to follow this part all the way down. See how it's flat and flat, square? Now what's left to do is to just kind of round everything out. Okay? We can do the same thing here on the inside. We're going to go in straight flat. Now all I'm doing here is just getting rid of whatever is hanging out there. You know, whatever's sticky outies, you know what I mean. And then that's it. That's all it is. And you can perfect it by just going over it, looking at what you don't like, and that's all there is to it. So now I'm going to show you how I do the front leg. Okay, so for the front leg, all I need to do is to come in and cut flat like this here. I'm going to fluff everything up. Now this is just how I do it, guys. I'm not saying this is a standard way or, you know, I groom pets, you know, family pets. I'm going to go from the shoulder. This is where I dropped off with my clipper here, but I'm just going to go straight down, right down to the table. It's flat, just flat. Oh, hang on. First you're supposed to do, sorry, usually they're always all done. You know, I do them all, but I'm just going to cut around here. I'm sorry, guys. Usually I do them all first and then I get into the, but that's not what I did this time. It's okay. It's okay. There. Okay, so I went all the way down, fluff this back up. Keep that pup's leg straight. You can poke that leg out like that. Keep that leg straight. See how I have my hand underneath the dog here like this? I'm keeping him from moving too much. And this just comes with practice. So it's flat one side. We'll do flat underneath, like this. Pretty straightforward. You got to be careful. There's a little toe here. Know where that toe is. I'm going to get rid of some of this junk here. See it? So I went flat on the side, flat in the back. Okay. If there are little corners, if it created a corner, just go round it out. Just get rid of the corner by cutting into it. So I'm going to turn him to the front like this. You're a good model, honey. I know you're stressed. He's stressed. You're stressed, boy. So I'm going to pull everything out. Again, if there are knots, that's okay. You can cut into those knots. If it's too knotted, I mean, you can do that. So I'm just coming flat on the inside. See, I did the flat on one side, flat in the back, flat on this side. We're almost creating like a square. I'm going to come back underneath here to see if there's any sticky outies. That's what I call them. And then I'm going to hold the leg. The only thing left to do now is the front of the leg. We're going to go flat like this to your desired length. Now see how it became like a box, square, square, you know, it's just flat, 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 and flat underneath. Well, now this is where I'm going to round it out. I'm going to get rid of the edges. If you're not too sure about the length, just cut less off and then just keep working on it and cut more and more and more. You know, if you don't want to feel like you made a mistake cutting too much off. So see that leg compared to this one? Okay, so often once that's done, hang on. Once that's done, you'll have this fluff here that's left. You know, because you were cutting like this. There's a curve there. You can either take your curves, or I just come in, I like to come in, make it flat with the chest here. One thing you do want to be sure of is to come in here and take a little bit out, because you don't want too much matting in there. See? So let's do the next leg. He's going to stand up, step him up. Okay. We're going to do one side, fluff everything up, stand them up. I like to hold the head, just hold the head. Okay, and we're going to go straight and flat down. Hopefully your dog can stand for you. I prefer them standing. It's okay, honey, it's okay. Go straight down. I still forgot to do the foot contour. You can do this contour with the foot flat on the table also. I'll try to show you how I do that with the other one. Okay. Nice and flat, lift the foot up. I got my finger on that little toe here. There's a toe here. See where my finger is? There's a toe there, so I'm checking to see where that toe is. I'm holding my finger there. See how I made it nice and flat here? This is flat on one side, this is flat, so now we have a corner, so I'm going to get rid of this corner. And just, you know, round that out. I'm gonna round this out here too, all right? Now we're gonna do the inside of the leg. Sit down. An easy way for your pup to sit down, just put your finger, your hand behind that back knee and they'll sit for you. Don't press, don't ever press on the lower back. That's not good. So I'm just holding, see how I'm holding? This also prevents him to bring his head down, so I hold this way. It's the best way that I found for me, so. And if you're right-handed, it can be tough to do an inside. You know, when you're cutting this way, it's fine, but when you're from the inside, you're like cutting back at the back end. It's not always easy, but you get used to it. So, okay, so flat on one side, flat on the other side, flat underneath, except that now I have to come see. Okay, my dog is barking. I don't know why. Just to make sure that this is nice and round. Okay. Why is he barking? What does he want? All right, now we're gonna come and do flat right on top. Nice and flat. Okay, you're okay, you're okay, you're okay. He wants to go home. I think he wants to go home. His brother's here, his sister I mean is here. So I did flat this way, okay, so now I'm gonna come in and I'm seeing that it's not straight enough to my eye here, so I'm gonna come flat here on this side. No, you need to stand. There may be adjustments. See, there's a wave here. You have to adjust. So you make your flat sides, and then after that, see, get rid of the corners here. And that's how you start out, you know, I mean, then you get used to it and then you start kind of cutting like that. And okay, you're okay. I just want to be sure here that we take enough out here so you don't get too matted. Thank you. Often I'll lift the leg too, just to see underneath that line. Make sure it's nice and straight. All right, so these two beautiful legs. So the front again, fluff it up, and I'm just gonna go flat there. Right, so let's do the fourth leg together. All right, so let's just follow the body, okay? And just follow the body. There's a curve here, follow that body. Okay, now the hawk here, you can lift it. Watch for this toe here, you don't want to grab into that toe. Nice and flat. Nice and flat. More fluffing, all I'm doing is shaping the whole leg. Following the body, that's all it is. Feel the legs, feel how they are, how they're made. You know, how they're shaped. Now I clip till here, so I'm gonna start from here and go all the way down. Just keep combing. Try to round this out here. There, okay. If you fluff everything back up, and you can pull everything down too. Once again, let's go all around the toes. There. It's not the best lighting, it's really dark outside right now. All right, so I'm gonna fluff this up again. And see the length of this foot here? I'm just gonna use the tip of my scissors. Start at the top, and I'm just gonna round that out. And fluff again. And see, I'm gonna use, instead of using my curves, I'm gonna show you how I use my straights. You can still use your straights to create curves. Okay, fluff everything up again. Now I'm just gonna follow the leg all the way down. All the way down. And then I'm gonna do the inside of the leg here. And this is how I'll do it. I'll just do it straight down, kind of poking in there. Just let your scissor do the work, just up and down. Your thumb goes up and down. See how my thumb's going up and down? That's how to properly do it. Okay. I'm just gonna cut this here. Wait. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how I get the back part done. Okay, so the back end here, all you're gonna do is pull everything out like I did in the beginning when I first started. So you're going to just go straight down, up, honey. We're going straight down. Same thing for this side, straight down. You gotta be careful because some dogs have an extra toe here. So you don't want to clip that with your scissors. So you just bring it straight down, and once you've brought it straight down, all you're doing is rounding everything out, round everything out. You just take away what you don't like. Use your eyes and just clean out this area here. The pup can stand. Clean out that area. I'm not done though. Once that's done, his tail's done and everything. So once that's done, all you're gonna have to do is do between the legs from the front. You lift your pup up, if the dog permits, and you can come and again, straight down. See? There, you got some nice little back legs there, front legs. And by brushing downwards after, you can see also if there's any adjustments that need to be made. All right, so that's what I have for you for today. Guys, I have been here on YouTube for the last 2 years. It has been 2 years just this past month. And I want to thank everyone who has subscribed and everyone who is hanging out with me and liking and commenting. And I'd like to thank my members also. I'm more than happy to be here to help you guys. I know that I've helped a lot of you. You've written me and my heart is filled with love for that. Thank you so much. And I hope that you continue watching my videos. I upload new videos every Monday and Friday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. And yes, if you want to become a member, I have full dog grooming sessions in the members area. I would really love to create this beautiful community here. And yeah, I'm just grateful that you're all there. So if you haven't yet, and you don't know who I am, I'm Elizabeth Jenn, professional dog groomer since 2010. And yeah, please come hang out with me. I would love that. Click that subscribe button and the like button. And if ever you write a comment, for sure, I'm gonna come in and answer, and I might even use one of your comments and post it in, add it to one of my videos and answer you there also. So take care, guys. I hope that this was a good lesson for you guys, that you liked this, and just subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Hey there, pet parents and grooming gurus. If you enjoyed my tail-wagging transformations and want more tips to keep your furry friends looking fabulous, just hit that subscribe button. Remember, every click helps spread the love and lathers of grooming joy. Subscribe now and let's embark on this fluffy journey together.